How to recover Snapchat's My Eyes Only deleted photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll discuss if it's possible to recover Snapchat's My Eyes Only deleted photos. So let's get started. First of all, let's open Snapchat. After that, go to the Bitmoji, tap on a Bitmoji on the top left and go to settings on the top right. After you're there, you can scroll down all the way and under support and feedback you will see help center. Tap on it. Now wait for it to load, and after it does you can simply type your problem. Now you can just scroll down to find your issue, or you can simply search for it. Now let me search for it. Let's just search for My Eyes Only and hit enter. Now you'll see I forgot my eyes only. Now the most cases that your My Eyes Only photos get deleted are because you reset the password. Now if we go to I forgot my Eyes Only passcode, you will see that you can simply reset it. It is really easy, and if you lose your snaps that you saved to My Eyes Only after you reset your password, they cannot actually recover your deleted photos, as Snapchat is really serious about users' privacy and protection. So that's just their policy. They will not really be able to help you with that. So just tap on no, and if you just want it back, if you still want to try, you can simply type this, just give them a feedback, and there should be a pop-up that will allow you to type in your problem, and you can simply talk to them about it. And yeah, that is basically it guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.